Since the Galaxy S10 is out, we now get rumors of the Galaxy Note 10 and its possible 4 cameras. OnePlus sort of showed off their 5G device at MWC, and it could be the design of the OnePlus 7. And Vodafone is defending Huawei from getting banned in Europe as it'll set back 5G. I'm Jaime Rivera, and definitely MWC continues being crazy. There's a lot more 5G here. This is Pocketnow Daily, powered by Qualcomm. The official news today begin with deals. Those of you in the market for new MacBook Pros, they are currently on sale on Amazon. $200 off in one case, $150 on the other. It all depends on the storage variant that you're looking for. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about ZTE. Believe it or not, the company did announce an Axon 10 5G. Interesting that there weren't any invites to the event or whatever the case may be, but yeah, there is a 5G phone from ZTE. Apparently it's slated to launch in Asia and Europe very soon. Obviously Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with the X50 modem. We'll see when. And speaking of 5G, let's talk about OnePlus, as the company pretty much demoed their 5G, and well, the unit, according to sources, apparently could be the prototype design for the OnePlus 7. Now, we're not exactly sure if this is going to be the OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7T, but whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments what you think about the design. Let's move the spotlight over to Huawei and obviously the whole political debacle that's been happening. According to Vodafone CEO, particularly in Europe, if you let a company like Huawei out of the whole spectrum and the whole push of 5G, this might set back everything up to 5 years for Europe to adopt it. Obviously, this is up for speculation. This is just what they believe is going to happen. We'll see in the end how that ends up panning out. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Galaxy Note 10, if the name remains being Note 10, and the design remains being that way. We've got some sources claiming that this device will bring 4 cameras, which I actually believe because we know that the Galaxy S10, the 5G variant, has that time-of-flight extra camera. I actually like that design, and we'll actually have a separate hands-on for the 5G variant very soon. In addition to that, apparently there will also be a camera in the S Pen. Not saying that it's actually going to happen, but let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? I mean, do you think that it would be cool to have a camera in the S Pen, and then what would you use it for? Because in my case, again, this for me feels like a solution in search of a problem. But leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. MWC 2019 brought us a lot of gaming phones, and did you know that a lot of what makes a gaming phone possible is all powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform? This is the first platform to support the Vulkan 1.1 graphics library, the first to bring HDR for gaming, the first to bring 4K HDR plus playback, all thanks to the Snapdragon Elite gaming experience. Cinematic color grading means more realistic games, and all the while improving drop frame performance by 90% and improving power efficiency. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about what makes the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.